Hey, and welcome back. My name is Tyler Lemmond, your guide to all things network and IT. Today we are looking at CompTIA Network Plus CertMaster Labs, lab number 1.4, creating a SOHO network. In this lab, you are going to design a small office, home office, or a SOHO network using the network modeler. We are going to add computers to the canvas, add switch to the canvas, add a router to the canvas, connect the switch to the router, connect the computer to the switch, and then verify the DHCP address has been assigned automatically, and verify connectivity by pinging the gateway. We are slowly getting more and more difficult. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add computers using the in-device icon, which is right down here. So here's our computers, computer 1, computer 2, and the home laptop. Excellent. Now we're going to add the switch, which is going to be in the switch icon, which is right next to it. Let's go ahead and add the switch. It's going to be right there. Then we're going to add the router, which is going to be in the router icon, which is right here. We'll put that above. And then we are going to connect the switch to the router using our cables. So we're going to go from port 0 to switch port 0. It usually doesn't really matter what port you connect it to, but typically we plug it into port 0 or port 1. Then we are going to connect the computers to the switch. And if you notice that it says computer 1 goes to the switch, computer 2 to the Ethernet switch, computer or laptop to the Ethernet port, things like this, it doesn't matter. The port number doesn't matter. I'm going to connect it from PC 1 to port 1 because that makes the most sense to me. But the order of that the PCs are connected to the switch, it doesn't matter. Okay. Now, moving forward, we're going to verify that the DHCP address has been assigned. So we're going to right click the home PC 1 and launch Windows. Right click, launch Windows. There we go. And then we're going to right click the network icon, which is right down here. Oh, you can't see it because my ugly mug is in the way. So we're going to right click this, and then we're going to click on the option. We're going to click on Ethernet, and we're going to scroll down, and we'll see DHCP automatic under IP address assignments. We are now going to answer our questions, which is going to be right here. Which network is home PC 1 based on which network is the home PC 1 based on the IP address? So our IP address is 192.168.1.12. So that's going to be this one. Okay. We'll talk more about how I know that. It's mainly because these numbers are correct and this number is determined based off of the subnet mask and things like that. Well, we'll talk more about that later. Okay. Which is the DNS server IP address? Which is the DNS server's IP address for the home PC 1? And we can see that it's right here. That is 192.168.1.1. Okay. And now we need to verify connectivity by pinging the gateway. So we're going to right click here. We're going to go to terminal admin. We're going to type in the command ping 192.168.1.1, and there we go. We have it right here. Packet sent 4, received 4, lost none. That's exactly what we want. So we have done everything, and let's score the lab. Boom. Were you expecting anything less? All right. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe so that way you don't miss further content, and I will catch you in the next one.